Vivo's large Fold X Fold 6 gets upgrades to both its hardware and software this time. Plus, a key color scheme, all in one go. Just to be clear, this is a pre-launch test unit from the maker. Let us focus on its looks and new features. A leather textured box 3D printed with that signature lift-off lid, the main plastic insert. The full set of accessories, the charger, Type-C port, 100 watts output, 20 volts, 5 amperes max. That is the high voltage salad, and the cable itself is high spec, supporting up to 9.28. If this is your first time using a foldable phone, be sure to read the notes up top carefully to protect that big screen. Let us peel it open. Now let us check out the screen. Now, from the front to the back, this all-new blue hole colorway looks quite stylish. Auto 100 rate is first impression. Under the light, it has a nice gradient effect. The 8 matte finish feels nice, and that glossy Vivo logo, depending on the angle, even has a flat 3D look to it. Next, let us peer at the camera section. A minimalist ring, a hallmark of their own flagships. As for the camera, a triple module set, a huge main cam, and a periscope lens. So even though it is a foldable, telephoto shots are no issue. Plus, this gen brings a new feature, more on that in a bit. It makes for a killer concert companion. Check out the bump on the side. Since the whole unit is quite slim, the camera section sticks out a bit more. Overall, it looks to be a two-part design. The bezel's features inscribed the lettering. Right in the middle are the coral, ZEISS and T-coating logos. Now check out the frame. It is all metal and the whole device is quite slim. On the left, 3 antenna bands, 4 at the top, 3 on the right, and then 4 more antenna bands at the bottom. For functions, up top left, A1 key function switcher, and on the right, the usual volume, power, and fingerprint combo. Down below, the Type-C port sits flush with the body. Both front and back are slim fold models with the SIM card slot at the bottom. Now that we have checked out the looks, let us start folding. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, listen to this sound. Some of you might wonder, why listen to the sound? This pertains to the hinge and the whole device is not fit, so do give it a listen. Place the mic nearby and listen repeatedly. Okay, after we have folded it many times, let us check out its crease control. 3, 2, 1, open. Okay, so this is what it should look like after some period of daily use. Okay, of course, this is facing the light. Once the screen's on and facing you, that crease is not very noticeable at all. And at an angled view toward the light, you can see what is happening in the middle. Lastly, let us check out some details on the bezels. I got to say, Vivo's gone with a pretty meticulous design here. The antenna bands are symmetrical front and back, as are the cutouts for the mic and speaker. Look at the side. 1, 2, 3, 3 antenna bands. Front and back, symmetrical. At the bottom, 1, 2 antenna bands are symmetrical. Plus, the pinhole placements for the SIM card slot and the mic here are symmetrical too. Now look at the side here. This metal frame feels quite nice when held in one hand and offers some grip. Now for the front, both inside and out, there are sizable arc corners. The look on the front and the feel on the back. Yeah, both inside and out sport a symmetrical arc corner design. Folded it is like a slightly thicker flag-shaped phone. Next up, let us check out the Omnium protected case. It comes packed in box. And this whole vibe feels much more low-key and business, like a semi-enclosed case with pop-up sides here. See the whole device. Do not go away. This time, there is a new hardware upgrade too. Yep, it supports a teleconverter. First up, this is the protective case. Its build is like a standard one, but for the texture, it adds plenty of metal adapter rings, and using them feels just like swapping out a lens adapter ring. Press the switch, twist it, pop it off, pop it on, give it a spin, click, all set. There it is, so full of that metallic feel. The silver, diamond pattern, the texture is borrowed from Vivo's previous exaggerated Carl Zeiss teleconverters, like the 2.35 times and the 400 millimeters. Installing it is simple, just line it up. Spin to shoot. Swap lenses for birding. Install. Spin. Down. We used to say we wanted one device with flagship performance. Top-notch photos? And hey, if you wanted a big screen, well, you got one. Want portability? You got it. So clearly, foldable phones plus an external lens can make that have your cake. And need it too ideal. A reality. Of course, even if you wish to use this case day to day, there is no need to swap it up. Just pop it up. Light up the screen, and animations are silky smooth. Here is the new original 6-fold. Check out the screen to body ratio, symmetrical arc corners, and single front camera cutout. all per official specs. As their own large fold flagship model, the hardware specs, no need to sweat those. What we care more about is how to make good use of this huge screen. Just unfolding it to watch a slightly larger video, that would be such a waste. Check out this brand new atomic workspace. Before, serial mode let you easily hop back and forth between many apps while focusing on one main one. This time, the app display area in serial mode has been expanded too. And this time, the key highlight multi-window parallel mode. Just do a slight bend or a 3-finger swipe up, and 4 windows will pop up, filling the whole screen side by side. So with 4 windows working on screen at once, viewing info becomes far more efficient. Their size and layout can also be tweaked and swapped around freely and smoothly. Spread 4 fingers apart, and you can enlarge a single app's view to focus solely on that one app. And tapping the corners lets you swiftly swap large screen windows. Whether in parallel or serial combos, you can save them as desktop shortcuts for quick access anytime. For some real-world examples, say when planning a trip, you could have Tec Ping, Xiaohongshu, Maps, and Atomic Notes all open at once. For meetings, you can pull up your meeting app, note-taking software, WeChat, and files, letting you take notes, letting in, and chat all at once. And what I find most useful is daily shopping, comparing prices across platforms by opening several apps at once to check the latest rates in real time. The Atomic Workspace offers flexible combos to suit various scenarios and tasks. Then there is the key AI part. First up, AI cross-window drag and drop. Just drag from your album and hover for a bit. And AI identifies your intent, quickly handling tasks like text conversion or translation. For instance, when you need to fill out a form, just drag out that ID pic and AI will auto-fill the form for you. Drag out text or picture that holds a phone number, drop it right onto contacts, and you can swiftly create a new contact. Next up, the AI File Manager. All files get sorted smartly by app and file type, and you can preview them in split panes too, making finding files faster and more efficient. Much like how we operate on a PC, sometimes when you get files, their names turn into gibberish, but the AI File Manager can also smartly suggest names, detect and convert text encodings, and generate summary info. Plus, when you need to sort files later, just say the word one sentence and AI will sort and categorize them for you, making both organizing and finding them much handier. Pair with VI Assistant for quick summaries and answers. File management now adds desktop widgets for one-tap access. AI can also smartly suggest files you might need for your current scenario. Plus, there is the AI Meeting Assistant. You can set a shortcut key for recording. So during meetings, you can fire up the recorder with one tap to log the session. Throughout the recording, it also supports real-time role-based indexing. So if you wish to hear someone speak, just tap on them. No need to hunt around. Quick find a review, super efficient. Plus, it can generate AI insights. Plus, for meeting summaries, there are 6 summary templates to pick from, way more efficient than listening to the whole meeting. I will jump straight to the good bits. Besides those, Vivo supports one-click deployment and on installation of the little VClaw PC version. Once it launches, we will get to see what it truly looks like. All in all, this upgraded Atomic Workspace, or whether in serial or parallel mode, it handles various tasks, scenarios, and truly boosts our work efficiency. And with this AI function upgrade paired with the all-new Atomic Workspace, it smoothly morphs into your AI work body. So Vivo has taken another step forward in AI exploration with this large fold flagship model.